Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $150 a day watching videos, and this is a new method. Now, if you are new to this channel, first time watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my video and helps out this channel. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about what I'm talking about today. Now, this method is absolutely free to start. All you need is a computer, a laptop, or a cell phone with internet connection, and it's available worldwide. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I don't want you to miss anything about this method. So please watch it all the way through so you can understand the whole strategy of this method. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. And the name of this website is uCubes, and that's cube is spelled CUBEZ.com. I guess that's how you pronounce it. But anyway, like I said before, this is a new method or a new website. I've never talked about this website before. So it's a pretty good website to make some money and, also watch videos and make money. So you have 442 and 615,000 members. They was established in 2007 and they allow you to view websites, complete surveys, watch videos. They've paid out $20,000. Free to sign up. And they have a video right here. You can look at and watch a little bit more on how this website works. And as I scroll down here, you can also make a little bit more money when you refer friends. So you can earn up to 15% commission from your referrals and their referrals. And paid surveys, like I said before, they have paid surveys. So you can do surveys on here, view ads and make money. And you get paid to view websites, watch videos, and explore the internet. And you'll be able to promote your business if you have even a website business or a business. And watch videos, and you're going to get paid through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, just sign up with PayPal at paypal.com. Now, next thing what I'm going to do is log into my account and show you how it works and how it looks on the inside of an account on this website. All right, I'm inside my account. So once you register and sign up, they're going to send you an email and for you to verify your email address. And it's going to be a link in your email, and you're going to click on that link and it's going to go ahead and verify your account. You'll be able to go back here, log in, and this page is going to pop up. So this is like the menu page or like the dashboard page, and they have to-do lists. So it's going to show you all the ways you can make money and have, let you know what's available. So like this one, I have 24 sites to view. So I can click on there and view sites right here. So right here, they have all these sites right there you can click on and view. Let me go back. And they also have all these other offers that you can click on and make some money. Now, from what I found out, Offer Turo pays the most money. Let me click on there right quick. And as you can see here, it just tells you how much you're going to be making. You can make $2 for every one that you click on and view. And it's probably going to be ads and videos. So, I mean, basically, it's just straightforward, how this works. I've talked about these type of sites in the past where you just view like ads or videos and you get paid for doing that. Okay, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website because I have another one to go to. So if you're ready to go ahead and explore this one, check it out and see if it's a right website for you to start making some money watching videos. Just go to u-cubes.com. Now let me go to the next website. All right, I'm at the second website, and you probably have heard this before. It's called iRazoo. Now, this is one of the best websites out there to make some money watching videos. So that's why I went ahead and brought this up as like a bonus. So you can make some money off the first website and this website too. All right, so they've paid out $97,583,934 and counting in cash to their members on this website. And so they pay out through gift cards and also PayPal cash. So you click there to get started. They've been seen on these popular Fortune 500 companies like Yahoo, CNN, Wall Street Journal. And this is how it works. So you join, you're going to score free cash and gift cards just by completing surveys. But like I said, we're going to be watching videos. So if you want to do all that other stuff to earn money, that's good. So you're going to earn points, share your opinions, play the hottest games, and watch entertaining videos. And I'm going to show you in a minute how entertaining these videos are going to be. So you're not going to be watching a boring ad. So choose your rewards, get paid how you want, and you're going to get some points when you watch these videos, and you can turn it into Amazon gift cards or into PayPal cash. Now, let me just go to one other thing and show you. So click on here where it says watch videos. And you click here to get started. So when you watch videos, you're going to be watching short films, new advertisement and app trailers, cooking tutorials, movie reviews, and much more. So you're going to be watching some entertaining stuff and making some money just doing that. Earn points, so select a video from our partner, start watching, earn Razoo points instantly. Our inventory refreshes daily with over 50 channels of content. Wow. And again, I've talked about this before. You're going to be choosing your rewards. You can also get some AMC theater tickets, Regal Entertainment, and again, you can turn your cash in for PayPal money. I'm sorry, turn the points into cash for PayPal. And as soon as you sign up, you're going to get 100 points right off the bat. So that's all I'm going to say about this website. So if you're ready to go ahead and check this out and start making money watching videos, go ahead and go to irazoo.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. But before you click away, hit that like button for me and help me to get like 50 likes. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers, which is coming soon. It's right around the corner. And please share this all around the internet so you can help me get to that 3,000 subscribers. And also, I want to help everybody I can, because everybody needs to learn how to make this money online and make it on autopilot. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, again, thank you for your support. I know I say this in every video, but thank you for your support. I really, really do mean it. It really touches my heart that you guys check me out every day or every time I drop a video. But also, guys, drop a creative comment. I don't want just no dull comment. I want a creative comment, one that's going to catch my eye, because I'll do shout outs in videos and it can come up at any time. So you need to watch all my videos and make sure you drop that creative comment along with hashtag get your grind on in the comment section. All right, guys, I'm out of here. But one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.